Alright, so we're going to make our own level. You're going to need this program, Find and Replace. Once you get this program, download as a small file. Go ahead and open it up. And the next thing is navigate to the game installation folder, which will be in your Steam library folder. Go to Steam Library, Steam Apps, Common, BeamNG Drive, Content, Levels, and find Small Island. Right click, or however you do it, extract it to wherever you're going to be working from. I just put it on the desktop. Personally, that's what I do. Now, up here in the Find and Replace, navigate to where you extracted the small island to. And with it selected, hit OK. Now here in the file mask, you'll see .js, or you won't see nothing actually. Type in *.json* and find .small island, or I'm sorry, .small_island and replace it with whatever you're going to call your new map with another dot. You can say find only. It'll show you where these instances are, and normally this is stuff you would change like manually, but go ahead and hit replace. Okay, now up here again, say find, and this time put a / and replace the other dot with a / and replace it with a / and a /. Alright, replace. And this time replace this with .cs, and I believe, let me double check. I gotta remember where that file is. I can't ever remember. I think it's in the forest. No. Alright, let me just okay, it'll be just a / also for that one. So yeah, just like this with this .cs, and replace them all. Alright, now that's pretty much everything you got to switch over. Now your user folder, the default will be like in your users, your name, or whatever your user is. App data local BeamNG .23 is the current build, but if this is a later build, when this is made, it'll be like a 24 or 25 or whatever. Like you can see, and there's a few folders created since the last few major updates. So we're in 23 now. So in the levels folder, these are your user created maps. Disregard that one. So what you're going to do now is just move this new folder. Well, actually, go into that new folder, rename this subfolder to what you're calling your map. That way when you double click on it, what I mean is by this subfolder is like where I extracted to on my desktop. It's a small island, then it's a levels, and then it's a small islands. Well, this content in the subfolder is the one that you need, because when you put it in your levels, like this project 3 I'm working on, when you open it, you know, that's all the stuff there. So when you open this, it's all the stuff there. The way it extracts from the game folder, that zip file, it's the name in a folder and then the name again. I mean the name in levels and then the name. And if you do it like that and stick that folder in here, it's not going to work. So let's load the game now and make sure everything's working just fine. This method is different than the Notepad++. This actually will change all the names at one time, whereas Notepad++, it could only open like maybe 8 to 10 files at one time, and it didn't work right. So this is where you'll see your new map. If you did it right, you'll see levels.mynewmap.info, not to be confused with the small island. The official maps have this little Beam logo next to them. Any maps you make will just not have that, see. So you should be able to just spawn into your level and everything should work. But we're going to double check. Everything looks like it worked great.